Now, in this context, one more important class which is relevant to wrapper classes I must explain, that is number class. Always remember that Java conventions, naming conventions help you a lot. Simply seeing that for first letter capitalized or Pascal case, you can understand it is a class or one of the reference types. So, number is one of the classes. It is an abstract superclass. Abstract superclass. Already in inheritance and interfaces, I explained to you one great thing. What is the use of using abstract classes? So, if some common facilities are required for a big set of classes, then one abstract class you can define. By that, you can provide the general services. Like that, the number class is created, and it is the abstract superclass for all 6 numerical types. All 6 primitive numerical types. What are the 6 primitive numerical types? You see that out of 6 numerical types: byte, short, int, long, float, and double, except character and boolean. All are numerical types. For this, it is the abstract superclass, and it provides conversion methods. The number class provides conversion methods, abstract conversion methods, and these classes override it and uses them as conversion methods. That point you have to. That is the strategy. Actually, whatever principles we learned, interfaces, abstract classes, and all that, hereafter we should learn where they are used. First, you have to understand what is the underlying purpose, what is the strategy behind it. You have to understand. So, number class is a abstract superclass for all 6 numerical wrapper classes. That you have to understand. These are one, except these 2. These are numeric wrapper classes. For that, this is number is the superclass. And actually, in order to create uniformity in the contents of the wrapper classes, Java developers adopted strategy. By that, the learning curve is softened. Learning curve will be less, because in all these classes, uniform type of elements are there. You can easily remember them. If you learn the elements of one class, automatically with some change, you can use the same name. Now, for example, I show you. Here you see, suppose byte value is there. Now already I told you, this is byte type object. This is like this. This is wrapped. In order to extract the value from that means unwrapping or extracting value from this byte value. This is the method name, instance method name. By that, you can extract this value 5. The same value for char value, for float value, for double value, for long value. So, by this easily, if you are acquainted with the elements of one wrapper class, automatically same names are applicable to other classes. That is the smartness of the Java language. And actually, this is one way cumbersome process. Cumbersome process means actually wrapping sake you have to perform operations using constructors. For unwrapping sake, again you have to perform operations. Actually, this is, if you observe that, those are like just formalities. For the sake of formalities, wrapping purpose 1, removing purpose 1, it is not a productive activity. It is like implementing some formality. So, it is an overhead in our programming. That's why, however, that overhead was created by the Java developers, and ultimately they found out a solution, easy solution for that. Now, for that purpose, Java 5.0 version provides one great technique called auto-boxing and unboxing. Auto-boxing and unboxing. Here, simple briefing I give you, by that you can understand. But as a separate topic we discuss in detail, Here, what is boxing, what is unboxing, you can easily learn. Now you see, integer is the one of the wrapper class representing integer primitive type. It wraps the integer primitive type. So, a integer type A I made, I am initializing it to 5. 5. Then what happens? As a result of that, 5 is wrapped like that. Automatic, auto boxing means auto wrapping. Suppose in this case, what is the limitation? If I want to make any operations, I cannot perform. Now you see, int a plus 10 I want to make. Actually, to be frank with you, a is an object, 10 is a primitive. Now, suppose if we have a wrapped chocolate, how can you consume that? You cannot consume it. But Java provides, here, what I have to do, int b is equal to a plus 10. Okay, this type of operation I am performing. What should be done? Okay, 10 aspect, okay. It is a integer constant. It can be processed. But as far as A is concerned, it is wrapped. Now, how can you perform operations? Java compiler itself provide a facility called unboxing. Unboxing for this purpose. So, it is unwrapped. Then, original 5, primitive 5 will be extracted. Then, what is the result of what is stored in B? 15. Because of that, one thing you have to understand, for this purpose only, this is unwrapped. Unwrapped. And original thing is not unwrapped. That is called auto boxing and unboxing. In the forthcoming topics, we discuss it in detail illustratively. So, first we understand wrapper classes like this.